G'day all, I'm Chris from Built by Chris. Have you ever been out on a job site and you think to yourself a pocket hole would fit the job here perfectly, but your Armortool jig is screwed to your bench at home? Here's the solution. So Milescraft have made this nice box, and in this nice box they've put in a pocket hole jig, the one that you can take out onto the sites with you and use whenever you need to put a pocket hole in somewhere. Everything's in the box. This is how it all comes together, all in a nice neat little package. There's the main body of the pocket hole jig. You basically look at the timber that you've got, then you can set your stop on it, which is very, very easy. So if you've got big timber or narrow timber, you can use that. I'm going to leave it as is because I've got narrow stock here. You turn your little stop around. What that does is it gives you a reference against the edge of the piece. Next thing I'll do is I'll grab my my drill bit, which is a special drill bit. You notice it's got two steps here. It drills a pilot hole for the shank of the screw and the stop so that the head of the screw doesn't go any further. That's what these are for. Now the way I set these up is I'll put it in here, put the stop on, get my Allen key, just cinch it up a little bit. Now I use a 10-cent piece, and that just lets me make sure that I don't drill through the bottom of the jig. So where I've got it set there is nice. I'll just tighten this up, and that is now ready to go. So into the drill we pop this. Make sure it's not on hammer. Now Milescraft have a clamp that comes with it. Now on these little jigs there's a magnet, and that just sits on there like that, so it saves you having to hold too many things at once. Pop it on there like so and clamp it down. Now that's ready to go now. So all you do now is grab your drill and drill a hole. Take everything off, and there we have one pocket hole ready to go. So there it is. So if you're out on a job site somewhere and you need to do a really quick pocket hole, this is what you need. The Milescraft kit comes with everything you need. And if you've got bigger timber that you need to screw into, Milescraft have come up with a bigger version of it as well. Now the good thing about both these kits is if you buy the clamp, the Milescraft clamp, they've all got magnets in them and they fit perfectly. It's almost like it's designed for it. I don't know. Looks like the Milescraft people went out of their way. But there it all is. Both kits are available at Timbecon. If you need more information, check the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Timbecon. They love it when you do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me because I love it as well. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.